Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sanjay Chaudhary, diabetologist and consulting physician in Palampur, North Gujarat. Hope you are doing fine in the times of COVID-19. Being a novel medical issue, there are several speculation reports regarding its connection with diabetes. And many of you with diabetes are worried that they are more prone to this virus. I am here today to discuss about the steps that all diabetics should follow to keep their blood sugar levels and health in check during the current coronavirus lockdown. See, the first and foremost, it is true that people with diabetes and other comorbid condition like asthma, heart failure, raised serum creatinines, and those who smoke cigarettes and those above the age of 65 years are at the higher risk. So they should take more care about their health. But this doesn't mean that you should panic. Stay calm, get this thought out of your mind, as this stress and anxiety might affect your blood sugar levels. I would like to add here also that maintaining diabetes in control is beneficial also for our immune system, which helps you fight off infections also. So please don't be panic. Another very important step is that you must continue to have your medicines on time and also avoid high calorie snacks. See, friends and dear ones, being at home with family means snacking at irregular times. So it is better to avoid these high calorie snacks that are deeply fried or have more calories and salt. Instead, we consume vegetables like cucumber, fruit like apple and orange, lemon juice, sweet lime juice also regularly. And take such healthy snacks alone or with yogurt as a dip when you feel hungry in mid-morning or in the evening between two meals. So try to drink also lukewarm water as much as possible. Next is don't miss out on physical exercise, though your gym and morning walks might be halted by this lockdown, but it's important for you and also me to find time for some physical activity during the day. It does not need to be something too strenuous, but just a little amount of stretching and exercising is sufficient for maintaining ideal blood sugar levels. So make it habit to take a short break from your work only for 30 minutes and do a little bit of walking, stretching, or yoga for 5 minutes. Just 30 minutes of mild exercise every day is a perfect for diabetic to maintain their health during this lockdown. Remember, exercise releases chemicals in the body that make us feel good, and this is also linked to a better sleep, reduces our stress and anxiety, and improved memory. So just get started. Just like your schedules for eating, working, and exercising. It is also important to have a regular sleep routine. For most people, between 6 to 9 hours a night is sufficient. Going to bed and waking up at a similar time each day can help you follow through with your plans. If you are finding it difficult to get to sleep because you are lying awake worrying, try to limit your screen time to your mobile screen time and avoid watching negative news on mobiles, laptop, or TV before bed right now. This reduces your exposure to blue light on the retina, which can disrupt our sleep quality. Despite being confined indoors during the coronavirus outbreak, with the news reporting, gloomy death, and epidemic reports. Take a break from the news cycle trends. There are a lot of things you can do to stress your mind. Yoga and deep breathing exercises are particularly very much useful in this very difficult time. So also take some time to calming our activities like indoor gardening, cooking, puzzles, craft, listening well slow music, learning to meditate, reading, and of course, spending quality time with family members to feel refreshed. Also, I would like to wind up this talk with a small suggestion. Have a positive frame of mind in this hard time. Follow a healthy lifestyle at home. Follow all the precautionary guidelines laid down by the government and medical professionals to save yourself from the infection and also to stop it from spreading further. Wash your hands regularly and practice strict social distancing rules to save yourself and also other self during the current pandemic COVID-19. Remember, stay at home, stay healthy, and stay safe. Thanks.